Alright, we've got the fuel tank on. Got it drained. Blowing out the lines. Here's this one, probably number 1. And number 2, this one still has the... I blew that one out. Had to find it with a metal detector. I'm cleaning them out now. Might as well. I might go ahead and get into that and just clean that out. I went ahead and cleaned off all the carbon and stuff around here. On the injector. And blew it out. I might not. I think I'll just go ahead and clean off the seat right there and put it back in. Alright, cleaning up the alternator. Cleaning the rust around here and around here. Will make this alternator run a whole lot cooler, and I've seen the wires burn because of this. Probably change out that bearing. This was hard to take out. You did have to take these out. It was pressed in there, so I had to get screwdrivers on both sides and pry up on this. So, but it would be worth it.